guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lauren Pelle, and this is the bullshit you are going to be seeing. I also have a kit on making bouncy balls. I'm not sure what side of this is supposed to be the front. There's a loose powder in it. So I guess we're gonna check this out. You know how it is, I like them balls bouncy. This video is going to just be me opening things and no one's going to be able to hear what I'm saying. It says instructions and then it's just a warning. That's fine. Okay, make sure this mold is snap close. This is going to end poorly because there's a crack in the middle of the mold, so I can sense this is going to end so bad. Oh, I need water for this. We're gonna do this later. I got our packets of crap. We snapped these closed. I guess we're gonna try this. Let's make a multicolored one. Harmful to eye, skin, and mucous membrane. This seems safe. You know, ever since I said that warning, I now really want to itch my eye. Let it settle. Get a cup of water. Put it in the cup. Got enough water. Oh shit. I just hope that was supposed to happen. Okay, and then I wait 3 minutes. What are you doing? Alright, time to make another one of these weird things. I think I did this one wrong. Oh, it's so gooey. Oh, my jewelry is falling off. I think there's enough to make one more. Oh no, it got into weird stuff. Shit. Well, my Play-Doh is now poisonous. And we're gonna try making a pathetic looking one. This is so gross. This smells like death. I should not be playing with this. Oh my god. What age group is this for? 8 up? What 8-year-old is doing this shit? Can you see Jackson over this? Time to see how it came out. Oh, it actually expanded. It's a little weaker than the other ones, and there's cat hair stuck to it, so that's lovely. Beautiful. I have a Gazooka It's Slime Time kit. I've never made slime before, so this is going to be a hot mess. For some reason there's wood. It's a suspicious package of powder. Probably shouldn't have done that. Oh god, this one actually has instructions. Rule number 1, do not eat the slime or any of the ingredients. Keep away from your eyes. Well, I already sniffed the glue, so that's out of here. More water? Think I'm prepared. I am not prepared. Time to make some slime because I have some scorching hot water. I feel like that needs to cool down still. But oh, we need 40 milliliters of water? What? This isn't gonna work. this up and put ice cubes in here. It says I need a parent for this. Guys, can you find me an adult so I can do this? That was hot. Alright, it says to mix it in, but it doesn't say what it's going to look like when it's mixed in, and then it says to add this, so I'm going to just add this and hope for the best. Oh, guys. I want to see I think I did this wrong. Are you supposed to let this sit? It's very liquidy. I don't think I did it right. This isn't solid at all. This chemical reaction was a failure. Do you see that? Alright, well I think this slime isn't gonna work. It's very liquidy. I moved it to these containers so I can let it sit and see if anything happens. The bottle is kind of clumping up a little, barely. Such an unsettling noise. Alright. Alright, time for a special little treat. So he kind of actually digs the little ascot thing. Hi, Delilah. Jackson. What are you doing? Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, Jackson, that's not a scratchy post. Jackson, we have one more part to record. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and share it with someone. And leave a comment below if you enjoyed Jackson in this video. He is a needy little bean, and I think he sees a bird outside the window. Oh, you yawning? Leave a comment below if you also tried some dollar store DIY crafts, or if you also went on a dollar store haul and you want to brag a bit. Oh, there's the kitty. Until next time, stay safe everyone. Bye.